In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a powerful AI social media agent inside n8n. By the end, you'll have a workflow that analyzes an n8n template page, drafts platform-specific posts with AI, lets you review them, and, once approved, publishes automatically to X, Threads, LinkedIn, and Reddit. Let's start with a quick overview. The workflow begins with a manual trigger, moves into a set node to define inputs, hands those inputs to a social media AI agent, pauses for your approval, and, if you give the green light, publishes everywhere. It's fully automated, but with a human-in-the-loop checkpoint for safety. The manual trigger is your start button. Nothing runs until you press execute, which makes it perfect for testing or generating posts on demand. After that, the set node centralizes your key variables. Here you store things like the workflow URL to analyze, the posting username, and a reference to your screenshot service credentials. Keeping these values in one place makes updates clean and avoids hard-coding anything across the workflow. Next is the social media agent, the brain of the system, powered by Google Gemini. It fetches the workflow page HTML, extracts the main image, and analyzes the problem the template solves, the solution approach, and the technologies involved. From there, it creates a Spanish LinkedIn post, an English thread for X, a Spanish post for Threads, and an English Reddit post with a title. Its output is strictly structured JSON, so every downstream node knows exactly what to expect. Behind the scenes, the agent connects to the Gemini chat model to generate content, uses an HTTP request tool to fetch the web page, and relies on a structured output parser to enforce fields like platform, content, title for Reddit, and image URL. That formatting discipline is what makes the automation predictable and reliable. Before anything goes live, the workflow pauses at a wait node configured as a form. You'll see the drafts for LinkedIn, X, Threads, and Reddit in one place. Choose Approve or Reject. An IF node then checks your decision. If approved, it flows into publishing. Publishing is hands-off. The upload post integration sends the generated thread and image to X. Another upload post node publishes to Threads. LinkedIn gets the Spanish post automatically. Finally, the Reddit node submits the title and body directly to your chosen subreddit. With one click, you get an AI content machine that reads workflow pages, extracts images, generates platform-optimized posts, waits for your sign-off, and publishes everywhere. No copy-paste, no juggling apps, just structured output, human review, and multi-platform reach, built entirely inside n8n with Google Gemini, Upload Post, and the Reddit integration.